park your car at the space which is reserved for the road test. Then go inside and on the computer check in. Computer will ask you the questions that you wear corrective lenses, eyeglasses, and medical condition, heart trouble, diabetes, epilepsy, loss of consciousness, and in last 3 months how many times you drive in 80 kilometer zone, and in last 3 months how many times did you drive on 400 series highways, and what was the length of travel, and which car you are driving, what is its color, what is its license plate number. Then you come in the car, examiner will come, they will check the car and they will ask you your name, your address, your date of birth. They will check the car, left signal, right signal, foot on the brake, foot off the brake, and then if everything is good, examiner will come in the car. They ask you to sign on their tablet, you sign on the tablet. Then examiner will say we are going for the test. I will tell you well in advance to turn to the left or right. If I don't say anything, you just keep going straight, and you have to turn on signal at every change of direction. I will not tell you anything against the law. You have any question? If you have any question, you can ask them. If no question, then say no. Then examiner say okay, we are turning right. Okay, then shift gear to drive, signal to the right, check mirror, check left, center, right, left, and start turning. Turn to the right, and signal will cancel here, signal again to the right, and we are turning right here. So this is the stop sign. This stop only for us. So when this line just disappears, stop the car. After stopping, check left, center, right, left. Whenever it is safe, then we can go. And turning to the right, and after the turn you see another stop sign here. There is line on the ground. When this line just disappears, stop the car. After that, check left, center, right, left. This stop is on all 3 corners. It means it is always stop. So it is safe, then we can go. Almost make speed 30 here in the parking lot. There is stop sign hidden behind this tree. Yeah, stop sign only for us. There is no line on the ground, no sidewalk. Stop at the edge of the road. After stopping, feel the stopping, then check left, center, right, left, and whenever it is safe, we make our turn. Yes, it is safe now. Speed is 60 here, so try to make it 60. So examiner will say we are turning to the left on this street. So this street name is different street. So look from the front. If some car coming, stop. If those cars can reach to us in 6 seconds, don't go. If they are farther than 6 seconds, we can go. So in this neighborhood, speed limit is not posted. According to Highway Traffic Act, speed limit is 50 here. So divide road into half, stay to the right side, and we are turning left in this street. Name of this street is Maple Street. So if it is safe from there, we can make our turn. There are no lines on the road. These are unmarked roadways. Divide road into half. Right side is yours, stay in the center of your side. This is a yield sign. Yield means slow down, look around, stop if you have to stop, otherwise keep going. So it was safe in this case. So car parked on the right side, car parked on the left side, bit slow down. Again cars parked there, same thing. So go by the conditions. So stop sign is there. Read under the stop, nothing written. It means this stop only for us. Look at the ground, no line. Sidewalk is there. Stop before this edge of the sidewalk. After stopping, check left, center, right, left. This side, these plants blocking your view, then creep up. Be ready to stop. It is not be ready to go. So when I creep up, so someone is coming from this side, so stop for this car. Whenever it is safe, then go. So yes, it is safe. We can go now. It is not stop and go. It was stop. Whenever it is safe, then go. always divide road into half. Right side is yours. Stay in the center of your side. Speed limit is 50, so you can stay between 40 and 50 here. So there is bend in the road there. So check little bit to the left, center, right, left. Slow down for this curvature. This sign say that one street and also railroad tracks are there. So speed is 50. Check left, center, right, left. So check railroad tracks, left, center, right, left. And from this stop, turn left. Look at the ground, there is line there. So stop before the first line. When this line just disappears, stop the car. And when you see on this side, this yellow house blocking your view, on this side, this bush is blocking your view, it is not stop and go. Stop whenever it is safe, then go. Then creep up, be ready to stop. Check both sides, safe, safe. Yes, it is safe. Yep, we can go now. Speed limit is 40 here. And from this light will be turning left. So signal to the left 10 seconds before. Enter from the beginning of the turning lane. Light is yellow. Stop at the legal stopping position. There is line there. When this line just disappear, stop here. After stopping, check rear view mirror, left, center, right, left. So keep checking again and again. The difference between G2 and G road test is observation. In G test, you have to do more observation. At every 5 to 8 seconds, check rear view mirror. 5 to 8 seconds, check your speed. Just keep your eyes moving. And it is safe. 1/3, no one is coming. So stay in the closest lane. There are 2 lanes. Stay in the closest lane. This lane is called passing lane. Right lane is called driving lane. Now we have to go in the right lane by yourself. So make sure the space which I am going to occupy is clear. Check rear view mirror, it is safe. Then signal. Check mirror, check blind spot, straighten the neck, and then come here. Speed limit is 50 here. Railroad track is there. Check left, center, right, left, and maintain 50 here. Yeah, for the G test, every 5 to 8 seconds, just move your eyes, and every turn, check blind spot. If you are turning right, check your right blind spot. If you are turning left, check your left blind spot. Every turn, you need to check blind spot. Speed is 50 here, maintain 50. Light is green now, and after the intersection, speed is 60. Yeah, so this sign say 60 begins, so yeah, make it 60. 60 begins. Over here, examiner will say change lane whenever it is safe. Change lane to the left. So again, make sure the space which I am going to occupy is clear. Check rear view mirror, it is safe and clear. Then signal, check mirror, check left blind spot, straighten the neck, then bring your car here gradually. Now examiner will say change lane to the right, same thing. Signal to the right, check mirror, check blind spot, straighten the neck, then bring your car here. There should be no jolt when you are turning, when you are changing lane. Over here, examiner will ask you maybe 2, 3, 4, 5 times to change lane. Depend on the conditions. If conditions not allow, they will not ask you to do lane changing. So you stay in the right lane. Right lane is called driving lane. When you reach at this sign is talking to you. This sign means this lane will going to end, and now you have to change lane by yourself. So signal to the left, check mirror, check blind spot, straighten the neck, then change lane. So this is the most difficult part in this Stratford road test. Speed is 60 here, road is empty, other people are going faster than 60, and you stay at 60. Staying 60 is most difficult part here. So now examiner will say we are turning left on this road on the left side, and when you reach at this thank you sign, signal to the left and gradually slow down. After this intersection, speed limit is 80 and people are coming at more than 80. If oncoming vehicles can reach to us in 6 seconds, don't go. And if they are farther than 6 seconds, we can go. Now I have to wait for these cars. So there is yellow white corner here, don't cut this corner. And after this turn, when you straighten the car, now pick up speed quickly like you are merging on the highway. Speed up, make it 80. This is 80 kilometer zone. Yeah, maintain 80, no more than 80, no less than 80. When you reach here, you see different kind of signs here. One sign says that there is little bend on the road. Other sign says stop sign coming ahead. Other sign says that chevron sharp curve. So slow down little bit. So after the curvature, speed up again because this is 80 kilometer zone. Examiner will say we are turning to the left. Stop sign is there. Read under the stop. It is written always. Always mean who come first will go first. So we stop here at the legal stopping position. After stopping, check left, center, right, left, and if it is safe, then we can go. And after the turn, this zone is again 80 kilometer zone. Speed up, make it 80. Speed up, make it 80. Bit quickly, make it 80. Keep checking rear view mirror every 5 to 8 seconds. Keep checking your speed every 5 to 8 seconds. Keep your eyes moving every 5 to 8 seconds. Maintain 80. Keep checking rear view mirror. So this sign is coming which says 50 is coming ahead. So from here, gradually slow down, and this sign says 50 begins from here. Check your speed, make it exactly 50 by this sign. So maintain 50. Another 50 sign here, so maintain 50. Keep checking all around. We are turning right here. So signal to the right, come in here. When you reach at point of no return here, signal to the left. These are the yield sign. Yield means slow down, look around, stop if you have to stop, check rear view mirror, and cars are coming, then I will stop here. Yes. Whenever it is safe, then merge. This is 60 zone, so make it 60. So this 50 sign is in the entrance of any city. So it is not 50 here, it is 60 zone. So maintain 60, stay at the center of the lane. Keep checking all around, keep checking if there are some intersections. Through intersections, we need to check left, center, right, left. And we'll be turning right in this McDonald's parking lot. Stay in the center of the lane, 1 meter away from the curb. Don't be very, very slow. People are coming from behind. And turn right here. And go by the conditions. Sometime traffic around here. So then slow down. So at this intersection, bit slow down. Check left, center, right, left. And stop sign is here. we are turning left from here. So it is nothing written under the stop, but this stop is on all four corners. It is kind of always stop, and we are turning right here. We will be turning here, and most of the time examiner will ask you to turn right here and park here, drive test, road test only. So this is the end of the test.